Hey YouTube world, this is a quick demo of the sequential switchback turn signal lights for the 15 to 19 Sierra and Silverado. I purchased these off Amazon for 62 bucks and I'm very impressed with the quality. They are plug and play, so no cutting is required, and I linked the info in the description on where to get them. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below.